In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete Reddit account on iPhone. So first, of course, you need to open up your Reddit account. Then you want to click on top right to open up this menu, and then you want to click on settings. Once you have opened up settings, then you want to scroll down until you see delete account. If you click delete account, it's going to tell you, once you delete your account, your profile, username are permanently removed from Reddit and your posts, comments and messages are dissociated, not deleted from your account. If you click yes delete, it will be deleted. So there is no like break period, you can just delete the entire thing or not delete it at all. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.